GBPUSD this week has jumping around these two price levels, which means 1.278 and also 1.262 price level, where we can see that the price is dropping in value when the prices reach this supply zone around 1.2784 and then return back down around 1.262 a demand zone, and from here the price has jumped several times, where we can see that on a Monday the price dropped down, risen value on a Tuesday, on a Wednesday gone down, then on a Thursday and on a Friday gone up again. So the price is in between these two price levels, which means indecision on the market. On the weekly time frame, we can see that the previous week has been a bullish candle, and also this week the price has closed almost at the same price when the week has opened. So this means indecision on the market also on the weekly time frame. On the monthly time frame, after the bullish breakout in the previous month, we have one more week in this month until this month ends, so we can see that this month has been bullish right now. But because the price is inside the decision range area on the daily time frame, we can see that the price could jump between these two price levels and also to make a small breakout to the upside, which means the price could close above 1.268, which means also price rising and reaching around 1.28 price level. So will that happen? For now, on the monthly time frame, it's very hard to predict this one because the price is in between these two price levels, which means 1.33 and also 1.22 price level. So it is very hard to predict, but for that we need to go to the smaller time frame, which means a weekly time frame. So for now, we can see that the price have problems reaching higher price levels and also breaking this one small currently resistance around 1.27 price level. We can see that the price could not break above this one area here, which is a very important one. So the price also could reach around this one, 1.28, which is also a price level that the price needs to break to the upside if it would like to continue to rise in value, and reaching 1.29 and also 1.3 price level. So for now, what we can see here is very important that the price stays above and do not go below the 1.26 price level, which is also a very important level visible here, which is now acting as a support. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see this one much more clearly because we have daily time frame support and resistance level. So on the below side we have 1.26 price level, which is still holding for several days, and for now it looks it will be very hard to break below this one in the following week. But on the upper side we can see also the price have problems reaching this area around 1.27. This is the supply zone, and it is bouncing between these two price levels. So it will be very important to see where the price will make a breakout outside of this indecision range area. If the price breaks above, we can see 1.27 opens a space to reach 1.297, which is very close to 1.3 price level, which is upper side of this supply zone. And also below that, we can see if the price breaks below 1.262, the next level where the price reach is this one, 1.254, which is also support this trend line from this small uptrend channel, which you can see on the chart. So for now, the idea for the next week is to wait outside of the market because we do not know where the price could break, because the price is inside the range area and the market looks like it is undecided. So it is the best to wait outside to make a breakout. When the breakout happens, then we are jumping to the market and also jumping that riding that move to the upside or to the downside. Also, if there is any trading idea for the next week for this pair, I will also share that inside the trading community, where you can see the link below in the description, so you can also join and follow me to see what is the entry and also stop loss take profit levels. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.